Let me start with a question. What would you do if tomorrow you woke up and your job simply didn't exist anymore? I know that sounds scary, but stay with me for a moment, because what's coming isn't just a wave of new technology. It's a wave that will rewrite the world of work forever. And if you understand it today, you'll be ahead of 99% of people. You've heard people say, AI will take our jobs, and it's easy to laugh or panic or ignore it. But think about this. The smartphone replaced entire industries. Google replaced libraries. Streaming replaced TV. Electric cars replaced engine mechanics. Every era has a moment where the world hits a turning point. We're standing in front of one right now. And the truth is, yes, AI will replace around half of today's jobs. But here's the twist nobody talks about. It's also about to create brand new careers, industries, and opportunities that we can't even imagine yet. So let's walk through this together. Let's breathe. Let's understand what's really coming. Not the fear, not the rumors, but the actual, real, everyday life changes you're going to see. Because the future doesn't belong to the smartest people. It belongs to the people who adapt first. Imagine this. You walk into a store in 2026, but there's no cashier. Not because the store is empty, but because AI tracks the items you pick and automatically charges your account. No queue, no billing counter, no staff. Now multiply that by millions of jobs. Cashiers, receptionists, call center agents, data entry workers. AI can now answer calls, record complaints, schedule appointments, and it does it faster than humans, with zero breaks, zero mistakes, and at a cost companies simply can't ignore. And here's the part that shocks people. AI doesn't even need to be perfect to replace you. It just needs to be cheaper and good enough. But don't worry, this is only one side of the story. Let's look at something more surprising. While AI is removing jobs in some areas, it's also creating roles you've never heard of. Who thought 10 years ago that we'd have TikTok creators, drone pilots, app delivery riders, or full-time crypto traders? Technology never destroys jobs. It transforms them. The same thing is happening now with AI. For example, humans will soon work as AI supervisors, AI ethicists, model reviewers, prompt engineers, digital personality designers, virtual world architects, and thousands more we don't have names for yet. And here's the beautiful part. These jobs don't require coding. They require thinking, creativity, judgment, human decision-making, things AI still can't do the way we do. Let me give you something you'll relate to. Have you ever used Google Maps? You're following its instructions, taking a turn, stopping when it says stop, until one day you realize you didn't think about the route at all. You just listened. This is exactly how AI enters our work lives, slowly, quietly, one small task at a time. First, it helps, then it guides, then it decides, and finally, it replaces. Not because it hates us, not because it wants to control us, but because the system finds it more efficient. Now here's the part no one prepares you for. AI is not coming after your job. It's coming after your tasks. Your job is made of hundreds of small tasks: emailing, arranging, calculating, planning, filling forms, searching information. AI doesn't replace the whole job at once. It replaces the tasks one by one until the job becomes unnecessary. That's how it begins. But listen closely. This is where hope enters, because humans are not being replaced. Tasks are. And this means something powerful. The more unique your human skills are, the harder it becomes for AI to take your place. Think of skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, empathy, storytelling, strategy, imagination, judgment. These are not future skills. They're survival skills. Let me tell you a story. Two graphic designers were working in the same company. AI came in, tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Adobe AI, and suddenly everyone could generate images instantly. One designer panicked. He said, "AI ruined my job." He felt useless. Every design looked better than his. But the second designer did something different. He didn't fight AI. He partnered with it. He used AI to speed up his ideas, experiment with styles, and create 50 versions of something in minutes. Instead of losing his job, he got promoted. Why? Because AI didn't replace his creativity. It amplified it. This is the future. AI plus human will always win against AI alone. Now let's talk about the jobs AI can't replace. Not now. Not in 20 years. Jobs involving deep understanding of people. Jobs involving human emotions. Jobs involving unpredictable decisions. Jobs that require trust, care, or moral judgment. Nurses, teachers, psychologists, leaders, entrepreneurs, storytellers, artists, creators, skilled trades, human relationship roles. These jobs evolve. They don't disappear because machines can calculate anything, but they can't feel anything. And this is where your advantage lies. I want you to imagine your future self for a moment. You're living in a world where AI handles the boring work. Emails, reports, scheduling, analysis, all done automatically. So what do? You think think you create, you lead, you design, you innovate. You become the human in the room, the one thing no machine can ever be. Now here's the truth no one tells you. The biggest risk isn't AI taking your job. The biggest risk is you not adapting fast enough. You don't need to become a tech expert. You don't need to learn coding. You just need to learn how to use AI, how to collaborate with it, and how to bring your unique human mind into the work you do. Because the future is not AI versus humans. It's AI plus humans versus humans who refuse to learn AI. And the ones who learn it early, they win every time. Let me leave you with this thought. Every major technology shift in history created more opportunities than it destroyed. The steam engine, electricity, computers, internet, smartphones, AI is no different. But this time, change is happening incredibly fast. Your job today might not exist tomorrow, but your value as a human will, your creativity, your intuition, your empathy, your ideas, your imagination. These are the real future jobs. These are the things AI will never fully replace. You're not powerless. You're not behind. You're not late. You're exactly on time because you're learning now. And that already puts you ahead of millions. So the real question is not, will AI take my job? The real question is, will I grow fast enough to take the new ones? The choice is completely yours.